What's up, guys? It's Jonathan here back with an episode Will You Press the Button.com. I've recorded something, but it stopped. Oh well. Attend. Oh, I would love to. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna have to attend this. See ya. Okay, guys, I'm back. I attended that school and piece of crap. I left that after 25 minutes. Okay. You no longer have any stress or worry in life, but I already have no stress because I'm perfect now. But there is no excitement or adventure in your life. I will not. Yeah, because people want they really want their adventures and something interesting happening in their life. That's why we have YouTube. Because it's interesting. Just like that. You can get anything right as you want it. But you aren't allowed to do your 3 most favorite activities. If you start to like new ones, you are not allowed to do them. What? My favorite activity, my 3 most favorite things is basketball, YouTube, and John Cena. Nah, I'm joking. I don't really know what my 3rd favorite thing is. Yeah, football. In that order, yeah. I will not. I want to see how many. 73% did not. The 27% must be boring. They must be boring. They might, they're just the empty soul. I don't know. They must have pressed it on accident, but whatever. I just like that. Cast your game straight from your phone to TV for $35. Be right back, guys. I'm going to do that for $35. I am back, guys, because they actually lied. I was doing it for an entire day. Yeah, I had this pause for an entire day. No, I'm joking, just for 10 minutes, and they lied. It was $55. Don't do it. Okay, here's this one. You would receive $200, but you would have to go to every game of your local WNBA team. Tickets are free. You would have to go to every game of your local. I'm not a sexist. That's not too bad. I would definitely do it. 45%. Oh my God. They must be sexist. They have to. Because Women's National Basketball Association. Yep. Or they didn't know what it mean. I'm not sure. Just like. You become the most interactive person on earth, but you change sex in the process. I'm already into rock. This is a hard one. Can I get a loophole around this? Wait, can I change my gender back? Right? Can I just get a plastic surgery? Right? I think that shitty no. Well, it wouldn't be too bad to be a girl. Sure. See, 60% have pressed the button. Yeah, picked the right one. I like that one. You would be an expert at picking stocks, okay? But you would have an extra finger. That's not too bad. Extra finger, so what? Did I press the button or not? I'm not sure. You get one power you want, but you can't swim for the rest of your life. That's kind of hard. Well, not really. Can I just wish the power for magic? Magic's the power, right? Magic. So that means I can use my magic to make me swim. Ha! Loophole. 24 people did not, and 76% did press the button. Yeah! Kind of like that one. Hold on, I'll be back for 30 minutes. I'm going to buy that game. Sorry, guys. So many interruptions with these ads. I did buy it, but it wasn't really that good. I played it for a half hour straight. Okay. You're permanently in a relationship with the crush of your dreams, and you two never fall for other people. But you have to be haunted by the grudge for 10 years. She will follow you everywhere and can't leave until a decade has passed. Wow. Haunted. Well, I'm not really a haunted person. I like ghosts, phantoms, poltergeist. I'm not into that. No. 50-50. Yeah, 50-50. Split in half. Okay. I kind of dislike that one. Didn't really like that. Dislike. You get the sexiest woman of your dreams to call you your girlfriend. Sweet. But you can never touch her in any... What? What? Isn't that the point to have a girlfriend, by the way? Well, isn't it the point to be happy or something? You know, that's pretty messed up. I will not. I want to see how many people actually did that. 18%. They must be probably a virgin or gay. Nothing wrong with that, though. Just saying. So those are the only two reasons I can think of. So, dislike that one. Okay. You will get to live in the wonderful world of Harry Potter. But you're Fred. Oh my God, Fred. I don't know who he is. Isn't he the guy with the orange, reddish, blondish hair? Like the guy he first met on the train? Harry Potter first on the train? Haven't watched Harry Potter in a while. Fred is technically still a wizard, still a badass. Sure, why not? 45. Oh my God. I feel ashamed now. But oh well, still a wizard. All your friends and family don't care what you do. That's kind of... But the next day they will get so mad it looks like they got anger issues. I will not, because I love my parents. 69% did not. 31 people have pressed this button. Well, I will see why they have pressed the button. Oh well. They already do that, so. Duke Bank. Hey guys, if you can visit, will you press the button? 6. Okay. Just like that one. You will gain the ability to fly, but only when you're... But what if I'm flying straight into the sky and everyone will be like, ah! giant, and they're all freaking out. Then they call the U.S. Air Force, take me in, and no. 68% and half. Oh my god. They would say, fuck off. Just like, you get your job dreams, but you get fired after 5 years and will never be hired by anyone ever. No. You get your dream job. My dream job is becoming, I don't really know. It's probably an NBA star, but not really. Oh, I'm really good at basketball, but why am I telling this life story? So hard. Get fired after 5 years. Well, I don't know what the income is, though. What's the income? Like, 5... Isn't that how most NBA stars last? Yeah, I pressed the button, right? You have pressed the button. People, you have the ability to access anyone's Wi-Fi for any time, but bacon, Nutella, and Oreos never exist and never will. Ah, crap! I should have pressed Wi-Fi, the internet. But bacon, Nutella, and Oreos. I just like that. Did you know if you make less than $80,000 a year, you may qualify for a grant to return to school? You could get a grant for up to $5,730. Grants and financial aid can help you qualified students return to school. Do you qualify? Well, I kind of make over $80,000 a year soon. You end the world hunger, but you can only eat once a week. No, I will not. Now that's straight away. You have pressed the button 1 meal a week, you be starving. Well, I should have pressed yes because I could have had like a giant meal. Yeah, I probably would have done it. Yeah, but does that count on drinks? Just like that one. You saved the world from certain destruction, but you will die. Your name in history will be erased. Nobody will remember you or know that you saved them. Oh, hell no. 56 half, press the button. Well, it was kind of close. Kind of. Still, just like that one. That one's not good. Your wage goes up by 20%, but you get paid in $1 bills. That's actually kind of cool. Like you pretend like you put zeros over it, but that'll be fraud. But still, you'll be like, look at all this cash, and they're like, those are ones. No, it's not. It's hundreds. Look at it closer, and then they snatch it out of your hand and say, yeah, they're ones. Shut up, Carl. I'm trying to drain. So yeah. Kind of like that one. You will have a successful marriage with any living person of your choice, but you will never be allowed to travel outside the country you currently reside in. Okay. 62%. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, like. Guys, this will be the last one. You can absorb all the knowledge of a book just by touching it, but you get a migraine. Oh, migraine? Not really good at reading. Not really. Every day. Yeah, sure. Yeah, press the right one. Well, that's all for this time. And in the next episode, I'll probably add my brother into it. See ya! Remember to kill that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you later. Hey Jerry, you want a burp? Wait, I'm still recording.